We prioritize non-toxic and low-impact strategies whenever a customer requests environmentally sensitive pest control. Start with a clear assessment of the infestation and the site by asking where pests are seen, what attracted them, and whether people or pets have sensitivities. Use exclusion first by sealing entry points with caulk, door sweeps, and screen repairs, because preventing access often eliminates the need for chemical controls. For active treatments, choose products labeled for low toxicity, such as botanical insecticides derived from pyrethrum used in micro-encapsulated formulations, insecticidal soaps, or botanical oils applied directly to affected areas only. Apply baits and dusts sparingly and in targeted locations like wall voids and cracks rather than broad surface sprays to reduce exposure while maintaining efficacy. When recommending products, research bio-based options and brands with third-party environmental certifications so you can explain trade-offs on persistence and non-target effects. Many green formulas require more frequent follow-up. Combine treatments with habitat modification, such as removing standing water, trimming vegetation away from structures, and storing food in sealed containers to reduce pest pressure long-term. Communicate clear follow-up steps and realistic expectations that low-toxicity approaches can require more monitoring and repeated spot treatments compared with conventional broad-spectrum chemicals. 3 common mistakes are over-applying low-impact products, which creates needless residue and gives a false sense of security, neglecting exclusion, which allows pests to return, and failing to set customer expectations about speed and need for repeats. To avoid over-application, always measure product per label, treat only targeted areas, and document placement so follow-ups are precise. Address exclusion early by showing customers simple fixes they can do themselves and scheduling repairs that professional contractors should handle. For expectations, explain that greener products often control populations rather than instant elimination and schedule proactive monitoring visits to demonstrate progress. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors skilled in eco-friendly solutions and offers project examples to help decide the right approach for a property. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world tips, product experiences, and follow-up questions so we all learn better low-impact pest control practices.